Health Canada has determined that this bivalent Moderna Spikevax booster has met the requirements for the safety and the effectiveness.
Canada has approved a Moderna COVID vaccine booster tailored to fight one of the Omicron variants of COVID-19. But are Canadians feeling over the pandemic?
I think people are over and done with it. I don't think that it's just kind of like, oh, it's gone now entirely. But I think as a general, we've kind of just gotten comfortable with the idea that it is happening, but it's also like, at this point, not as threatening as it used to be, or at least for some people, right? But yeah, I think we're just comfortable now.
This man says it's been 7 or 8 months since anyone asked him for proof of vaccination, and masking isn't something he does on a regular basis.
Sometimes, I mean, if I'm on the subway or like public transport in general, I might wear it just to feel a little safer, but otherwise I'm pretty comfortable now.
Canadians are far from unanimous on this, though. This woman says she's still masking anytime she's indoors and sometimes when she's outdoors as well.
I don't mind what other people do, but I'm mindful of me and my family, so we're just keeping it safe for now, and it doesn't bother me at all.
It's a message echoed by the Prime Minister, who underlined the possibility of another wave.
COVID's not done with us yet. We might want to be done with it, but it's still around. And yes, we have a lot more tools, a lot more understanding, a lot more knowledge on how to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe that have allowed us to get back to regular life in a lot of ways for a whole bunch of people. But we also know that as winter comes and as people get pushed back indoors, there is a real risk of another serious wave of COVID.
Despite this, Canadians seem to be tiring of the message. Less than half the population have a third dose booster, and just over 12% of Canadians have a fourth dose. Public Health still urging people to get whatever booster is available.
If the bivalent booster is not readily available, an original mRNA COVID-19 vaccine should be offered to ensure timely protection. Both the original and bivalent COVID-19 vaccines are effective as a booster.
In Ottawa, Xiaoli Li, City News.